This here is a vintage Kirby Heritage 2, I believe. It just says Heritage. Got this set up from several jobs ago. Got some corrosion there because it was in storage. I have serviced this. New belt, ball, bag, cord. That's the serial number there. Shut up, Tippy! So that's the serial number. Kirby will refurbish this. You can pay to have it fixed. Or like to polish this, make it like brand new again. Turbo. Spare belts. You can still get parts for this. This is not. It can probably be used as a shakeout, but it's got an inner bag in it. Now let me see if I can show you the actual bags. They're in here. Style it takes. Kirby Style 2 upright paper vacuum bags, 3-pack. The info on it. Disposable filter bags, style number 2. Always insist on genuine Kirby parts. The Scott Felcher Company, Cleveland, Ohio. Made in China. Now you can't just order a Kirby vacuum online. They only sell them door to door. So you ring up Kirby, schedule a demonstration. The guy will come to your house, demonstrate it, then you can buy it then. If you see it online, like Amazon or anyplace else, it's not a real Kirby vacuum. They don't do retail sales. Haven't ran this in a while. It's got a thing here that says lock, but doesn't do shit. I don't know what it's supposed to do, but it locks the handle or something. Thing prevents it from going all the way down like that. You see the thing that sticks out. So it probably keeps the handle from going all the way down. So put it on lock. And this keeps falling off though. Hooks onto that little thing right there, so I gotta bend this back a little bit. Like that. So, where you operate a Kirby, raise it up first. Then you press this little small button here. This raises it up, this lowers it. Raise it up first. So start. Heavy, don't care. Rotating. Wider than the whatever brand that is. How fluffy the carpet is. Very stiff bristles. Side heavy though, it likes to tilt that way. My parents used to have a sanitary model Kirby that was brown. Don't get quality like this no more. Headlight works. So I put all new parts in here. New bag, new belts, power cord, brush. I put a new brush on it. really it. Kirby Heritage. Upright vacuum. I don't have the hose attachment for it, but the way that would work, you would unhook this. So you got directions here. Unhook this. The hose would slide on, clamp on. This would lock it in place. About a 4-foot hose. Fetch high prices on eBay. This here is what you use to unhook and hook the belt onto the motor pulley. The belt would go on like a little shoehorn type thing underneath here. Then you would turn it to line it up with the motor pulley. So that's really it. Tabby don't care. He's sound asleep on the chair. So that's it. Thanks for watching.